how to divide integers. Next, let's discuss division properties of integers. We have studied four properties like closure, commutative, associative and distributive for multiplication of integers. Now we will check out the same properties that we have discussed for multiplication. First is closure property. If you remember, closure multiplication was closed for integers. Now if I consider for division, say two integers 15 and -3. If I divide, I'll get -5, which is an integer. Okay. If I divide 5 by -7, what will be my answer? -5 by 7, which is not integer. Okay. Now if I multiply -1 by 0, anything divided by 0 is not defined, which means doesn't come under integers. So you can see that if we divide two integers, the result may or may not be integer. Like it may be an integer or it may not be an integer. So I can say that integers not closed for under division, not closed under division. Next, the property we'll talk about commutative property. Commutative property means order of an action. Say multiplication was commutative for integers. Now let's check it for division. Say I'll take two integers, say 8 and -2. If I divide 8 by -2, my answer will be -4. But if I reverse the order, that means if I divide -2 by 8, my answer will be -1 by 4, which is not the results are not same. So we will say that division is not commutative. Division is not commutative for integers. Next is associative property. Associative division is not associative for integers. Division is not associative for integers. If it had been true, so we can consider that A divided by B divided by C equals to A divided by B divided by C. Let's take, say I'll take three integers 15, -3 and 5. So A is 15, B is -3, C is 5. Now 15, the left hand side is equals to this side, means -3 divided by 5. So my answer will be divided by -3 divided by 5 is -3 by 5. Now it will be, my answer will be -25. Now I'll check it for right hand side. So a divided by b, that means 15 divided by minus 3, that is the divided by 5. So 15 minus 3 is what? Minus 5. Minus 5 divided by 5, it will be minus 1. You can see that this answer and this answer are not same. So a divided by under bracket b divided by c is not equals to a divided by b divided by c. So we can say that division is not associative for integers. Next, let's check for distributive property. Division again is not distributive for integers. Say, take 3 integers, 15, 3 and minus 2. Now, if it had been true for integers, then what will be the relation? A divided by b plus c equals to a divided by b plus a divided by c. Let's check for this, where a equals to 15, b equals to 3, c equals to minus 2. So your left hand side will be 15 divided by b plus c is 15 divided by 1. Answer is 15. Now right hand side equals to 15 divided by 3 plus 15 divided by minus 2. So it will be 5 plus minus 15 by 2. Answer will be minus 5 by 2. So you can see that left hand side is not equals to right hand side. That means this is not true. A divided by b plus c not equals to a divided by b plus a divided by c. Thank you.